So today I got the Goodyear 12 horsepower Sea-Bee up for run. Got it out yesterday, but it spun the hub on the prop. It had a Michigan wheel prop on it, which did a little bit better than this. Right now I got a one of the weedless 15 horsepower props on it. It's doing okay. The Michigan was a little bit better. So we'll get it started up for you. It's been running really good. So I picked this up on Facebook Marketplace. Really all it needed was a fuel pump, and then the points and condensers and coils were already replaced on this one, so I didn't have to do that, and it already had a carb kit in it, so all I just did is clean the carb a little bit. And then it also needed a new lower unit because the old one was a 4-bolt, this one's a 5-bolt. So I got the correct lower unit on there, new water pump, pumps water good, and then new lower unit seals, and it's been running good. So take it for a spin here. Yeah, it's like most OMCs. Idles down really nice. Nice troll. The only thing about this one is the cam that actuates the throttle. It's really worn, so I don't think I'm getting the butterfly and the carb opening up all the way. But other than that, it runs fantastic. That'll do it for today.